Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. As part of the digital marketing initiatives, we are bringing you these SaaS reviews. Today, we are reviewing Hostinger. If you are looking to host your website, create a new blog on WordPress, set up your online store, or just work with your clients on different mini micro websites, look no further. We have an option with Hostinger. Today we are going to review them. We'll talk about the pricing and the details. So let me quickly talk about the features first before I run you through the website and the pricing. Hostinger is a popular and budget-friendly web hosting provider known for its affordable plans and excellent performance. They offer a range of hosting services like shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS, and WordPress hosting. They have a dedicated one-click installer for WordPress, which means anybody without any knowledge of technical or how to set up can easily start their own blog in no time. They also offer custom built H panel, which is a control panel and offers an excellent user friendly interface to easily manage your website and domain. Their hosting plans comes with SSD storage, ensuring there is fast data access and improved website loading times. Hostinger offers a free SSL certificate, securing your website and providing trust to your visitors. Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means you can try them for risk-free. Hostinger utilizes light speed caching, which enhances the website performance, speed, and overall user experience. They especially offer WordPress hosting with pre-installed WordPress and automatic updates to plugins for security and convenience. Hostinger also provides you with a free domain registration with select hosting plans. The uptime is 99.9, which means your website remains available to your visitors 99.9% guaranteed. You can check them out at hostinger.com. That's the website they have. Very when you go to the website itself, you will get a pleasant kind of a look and feel. I really like the way set up, the only the clear message, not too much multimedia on the website, but just basic information that is required. You can scroll down. The best part about this is they come straight to the point. You can choose the hosting plan that we look at. The most basic one that starts is at $299 per month and plus 2 months free. That's the offer they are running. There is also business plan, which is $399, and there is cloud startup, which is $9.99 per month. Now if you scroll down below, you can see all the features they have listed down beautifully, so that way you can check out everything that they offer. But for a beginner, for our developer community, for our tutorials community, I think I would recommend you that you start with the premium plan, and it has standard performance, maybe up to one website you can host. You have the free email, you have unlimited bandwidth, you have unlimited SSL, 100 GB storage, which is fair enough for any beginner developers, right? For manage hosting WordPress, you can see that all free one-click installer is available, light speed is available, auto updates, and multi-sites. Okay, so which means all of these are beautiful features available for a fraction of a cost, just $299 per month. So I would recommend, if you are a developer freelancer, choose with premium. If you are an agency, small business, start with business plan. That should be the best one for you. Excellent, one of the most reliable, one of the most stable hosting providers out there. You should give them a try. Do let me know your thoughts if you have tried them. What was your experience like? Do share it with us. Thank you so much for joining in today's episode. If you know of any app, any product, any service that you want us to feature on our tutorials for our community, please write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to review them. Please do like this video, please do share this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Let's grow the community. Let's help the community together. Thank you so much for joining in today's episode. I'll meet you in other episode.